Welcome back to my channel. Karina here, and if you're new, welcome. I am Karina and I love to paper craft, and if you have not subscribed yet, please do so by clicking the subscribe button. And today's video, it's a continuation of my craft room tour and organization series. In this video, I am going to show you how I have organized my ribbon, trim, and yarn. Some of the organizational items that I have used are these IKEA Kalax unit, storage bins from IKEA, Dollar Tree bins, and these clip-on labels. I am going to list all my organizational tools in the description box below. So let's start. I'm going to move this witchy out of the way, and we are going to view each storage bin. So what I have done, I have categorized my ribbon, trim, and yarn based on how I craft. So I am a big Christmas person. So the first one, I have all my Christmas ribbons. The second one, I have pink, white, silver, and gold ribbons. And the ones on the bottom, I have blue, green, and neutral tone ribbons. And the last one has all the multicolor ribbons. So let's take a look at the first one, all the Christmas ribbons. So it's easy, it's not heavy. I just take it out. What I do is I have these bins, the Dollar Tree bins, and I put all the red and pom-poms trims. So this other tiny little one, I have the baker's twine. So if I am working in a project that requires baker's twine, I just grab this little bin. Next one is all my curly ribbon. Then, as you can see, this bin has a lot of room for all these Dollar Tree bins. So here I have all my silver and some of the red and tinsel ribbon. This one, I have all my wire ribbon. Yes, I do love Christmas, and I enjoy wrapping my the Christmas presents with all this fancy ribbon. Then you see how many bins it can fit in this storage bin. More of my Christmas wire ribbon. And last but not least, more Christmas ribbon. And I have also white too. So then it's easy, I put it back. I keep these all the way on the bottom because it's not Christmas yet. And by the time Christmas arrives, I can just put all these bins on top when I'm getting ready to wrap Christmas presents. So in the meantime, I'm just putting things back again. So this is my second attempt of organizing ribbons, and I am going to see how this system will work for me this time. And if not, I keep changing until I find the better organizational system. So now we're going to look at the pink, white, silver, and gold ribbons. So I grab these, and I have this tiny little one with pink tulle trims. And if I'm crafting and I need white ribbon, this is where all my white ribbon is, in different trims, pom-poms, etc. Then here is all my gold and sequins trims. Then here comes the fun part, pink. I love pink, so I have my pink trims. More pink. my pink yarn. So as you can see, everything fits in these bins. More loose trim and more loose trim. Put this back. And on the back I have this plastic container. This is where I keep the very small trims. It's visually very easy to identify what color I want to use, so I just open it up and grab it. And then I put everything back. Very easy. Put everything back. Color back. So, and that's it. So we're done with this second bin. Now the third bin is silver, blue, and neutral ribbons. So this is where I keep all my, and why I keep it in the bottom, because summer is almost over, so I am not going to be using neutral or blue or green ribbons right now. So I have here some of green, my bling bling ribbons, some yarn, kind of like blue and green yarn, another kit, neutral colors, lace, beigey trims. Oh, I love these. This is just like blue and teals and green. And got another one. These are all my neutral beigey browns. And I'm going to put this back. It's easy for me to put the baskets inside. And I know what color I have to look for. So it's working so far from me. So let's see. Let's see next year if I might change. Who knows? So the last one is the multicolor ribbons. And here I'm placing some of my Halloween fibers and fall trims and ribbons. I have the rest on my desk. So this is like partially / Halloween, purple, green, pom-pom green. So I know that I have to look at for that. Then another tray, purples, multicolored. This is where I keep all my Maggie Holmes that are multicolored ribbons, and the tiny little ones from Hobby Lobby, Unicorn, etc. And this storage, again multicolor. If I am looking for a yellow, just for very small trim, like if I want to do a tag and I want to put a trim on, I just go into this container. I got these at a scrapbook expo this May, so I only pay $1 for this container, so it was just a phenomenal sale. And more tiny little ones. This is like St. Valentine's. And you're probably asking why I don't keep these ribbons, because they're red with Christmas, because they are not Christmas themed. These are St. Valentine's, they have hearts, so it's in my multi-color bin. More. And this is super multicolored. You can see that. All kinds of colors there. And some of the wire ribbon, lipstick. And let's see the yellows, light yellows, purples, white, light yellows, purples, fibers. Okay, so I'm putting back my last bin. And please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and let me know how you organize your ribbons. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.